Dear traders, good morning. Hello to you from Dubai. You're welcome to stay with me on this YouTube channel because right now in the morning from Dubai, I'm gonna make some researches for the market. I'm gonna go through Brent, gold, euro dollar, silver, indexes from different instruments. So I don't know how long this video will take. I don't know what it's gonna be like because this is my regular morning. I wake up and I go through charts. Usually I do have technical researches drawn on my MT4 or MT5, so I only need to update some levels. I need to look what the day was like, and I hope it will help you to understand what I go through daily on daily basis. Traders, you're welcome to stay here, take your tea or coffee or juice and ask questions under the video. You're welcome to press thumbs up because it helps to promote my videos. And traders who know how to trade by rules, this is something that I want this market to be like. Not only to sit and wait for some signals, I want traders to be really confident in what they do, and I hope it helps you. So let's go through charts. This is what it is. This is our American dollar index. On daily chart, okay, on daily chart it still goes down, so there is no buy signal, and as a level of support it was 105.30. Under 105.30 they'll go to 104.80 and 103.30. So those levels are still good and the market didn't change. So we go on a weekly chart. There is nothing interesting. We go on 4-hour chart. And yesterday or the day before I told you that this is our important level. After they break it, we can say that let's try to buy, but they didn't break it. I can tell you this is level 106.80. After they break this level of resistance, they may go higher to 107.90, but right now you can see that they did not break it. And what I can advise you, what I can show you as a technical picture for the market, we shouldn't take into account a Shimoku cloud on 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart now. We should not think that here is the support line. No, because market is trying to be in a range, so we can go on a 30-minute chart. Okay, here is the 200 moving average. You can see that after they break this 200 moving average, we can expect price to go higher, but right now they did not go through it, and that's why we're still okay to think that they'll go lower. But when should we say something like, oh yes, it's going down for 100%? This is the first level, 106.53, and this is the second, 106.05. So under 106.53 they may go to 106.05, and under 106.05 we can expect price to go to 105 and lower, as I told you before. One more time, important levels for the market: 105.30, 104.80, and after that 103.30. It's still like that. Now we go to euro dollar, because for euro dollar, yes, here was a level of resistance, 103.58, okay, and we don't take this level, this tendency. They did not break the extension, Fibonacci extension. What is going to be like? Let's check the daily chart. Nothing interesting on daily chart. There is no sell signal on daily chart, okay. We go on weekly chart. It looks like nothing. On 4-hour chart, we are above 103.60, okay. It looks like they're ready to go higher, but under 103.60, under be careful, under this level that I pointed as a green one, under this support, they may go down to 102. So this is something that you have to pay attention for. Okay, nothing interesting over here. But what I would do, I would buy euro above 103.95. Okay, on 15-minute chart, you see, I told you those levels and it works really good. I hope you checked the previous video so you understand what I'm talking about. I showed you this 103.60, I showed you this 103.14. And right now, on stochastic oscillator in the morning, the almost European session, we are not getting any signal to buy But after they break 103.60, we may try to sell down to 103.14 one more time. Okay, but only after they break. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Right now it's trying to go higher. But what I'm looking at on 15-minute chart, I am looking at the stochastic oscillator, and it has to show me the sell signal where I can sell from the envelope. This is upper envelope. You can see this 24 upper envelope. You can see this. Let me show you 24 with different meanings inside. One more 24 envelope, and after they show me shadows on the top side, I can try to sell from here. Okay. So euro dollar is something that I'm gonna watch, and I need to check the United States dollar. It doesn't look like I should sell euro dollar right now. I should expect them to go higher, and only after that to sell, because United States dollar doesn't look like it's ready to go up. Yeah, so I shouldn't try to find sell signal over here. Okay, I will leave it for now, because what I need price to be near the level of resistance, dynamic or static. I mean, this can be the envelope, this can be the moving average. Yes, so if they touch the envelope and they show me shadows, this may be a moment to sell, okay, but only together with the American dollar index. And right now it's not showing me good opportunity to sell euro. But if I want to buy euro, I will buy it only above 103.97, okay. And let's check. Yeah, it's pretty fair. Okay. So yeah, under 103.60 we may consider to sell, but above we should try to find entry point for long position. Okay, we go to 4-hour chart and daily chart for Brent, for Great Britain pound. Okay, they are on the way to 120 and 123. It's still the same. They are on the way to 120 and 123. On 15-minute chart, on 30-minute chart, let's check. Nothing interesting. There is nothing interesting. What I can't do right now, I can't sell, because over here I'm waiting price to go higher, because this is the upgoing channel, and you can see that was the lowest part on September 26th, and they were going up until they did not break the previous extreme. I can't sell. So over here, you can see on stochastic oscillator, they're trying to show some like, oh, we should sell. We are near 70 and 80 area, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I think I need price to be near the resistance. I need American dollar index to show me signal to sell euro and to sell Great Britain pound, and only after that I can sell. But if you check the 4-hour chart and daily chart, above 117, they're still on the way to 120 and 123. So there are no shadows on the top side. They did not break the previous extremum, so there is no sell signal, and it looks like they're still going up. For American dollar index with the Japanese yen under 138.40, they still will go to 134. 136.60 and 134. Yes, it's still like that, and they're breaking the Shimoku cloud. It is important. So when we should sell, when only under 138.60, because right now picture may change, and what I think is good is to sell under 138.60 after they break this level of support. Here is one more 100 pips to go, I know, but this is something that I would use if I would want to be sure in what's going on with the market. On weekly chart, under 139.80, they may go to 132. Yeah, I know that. Okay, on daily chart, I told you the picture. On 1-hour chart, they still may go to 144. No signals right now. And 30-minute chart, they did not break the 200 moving average again. Okay, so above 140.30, this is what we are going to work like. Above 140.30, we may try to buy up to 141.60, but after they break 138.60, we'll sell. Okay, this is pretty fair. Okay, I understand. So what we need for United States dollar with the Japanese yen, we need them to be above 140.30, and this is something that I'm going to follow. If they break it, I will buy to 200 moving average on 1 hour chart, but before that I'm not going to sell. For a 15-minute chart, they're near the 30 area on the RSI, and it doesn't look like a good idea to sell right now. The tendency, well, if we discuss that this is a range, tendency doesn't work. Yeah, it looks like it's a good picture, but it doesn't work. If we discuss this as a range, I would use RSI, and what I like that RSI is touching 30 area, it means that we are not allowed to sell right now because it is near the 30 area already. On 30-minute chart, there is still on the way to 30 area, but there is no divergence. There is nothing that we could use on 30-minute chart. Okay, what I believe in is that they will now kick 140 up, and after that they will go to 140, 180. It looks good now. So I already have 3 instruments, maybe euro dollar as well. Okay, euro Mexican peso, no. Well, actually, let me show you. For euro Mexican peso, I expected 18.20, but they broke the tendency and they're trying to give us a correction. I believe that they can go higher, really. And this is, by the way, pay attention. This is triangle. And if you work with the triangles, you do understand that after they break it, they will show you a really, really good jump, let's say like that. After they break the level of resistance, they go up to 2088. Okay? It's over here. This is pretty fair. Technically, this is fair. So if they break the support, they will go to 1932. Okay? What we need to do right now to open 1 hour chart and wait for market to break support, either resistance. This is a good picture, by the way. This is a really good picture. Now we go to Australian dollar. I don't like it right now. Why? Because I still expect price to go to 0.79. I told you 0.70. Oh, wait, sorry, 0.69. Yeah, it's over here. 0.69. Yeah, 0.69. This is a level of resistance for us. On weekly chart, there is nothing interesting. On 4-hour chart, support is over here. Okay, let me check something. This is our support on 4-hour chart. This is our technical resistance over here. Okay, let me show you. If they go under 200 moving average, look this, check this out. Either they break the support, like they go under 0.6690, we may try to sell down to 0.6590. Or they break 0.6720. This is a good resistance, yes. They break this resistance and we buy with a target 0.69. Okay, this is gonna work for me. For New Zealand dollar, I don't want to work New Zealand dollar, but it's also it's going up. I don't want to trade it. We should skip it. I don't want to trade New Zealand dollar actually, because it's Friday, it's European time. I don't think that New Zealand dollar is something that I should pay attention to. Okay, we'll go to Euro Great Britain Pound, and this is my favorite. I can tell you why, because I usually sell Euro Great Britain Pound all the time. I don't buy, but I sell it. And if you want to trade with this instrument, you open the 30-minute chart, you open RSI period 14, and after they go to level of resistance, the 70 area, you may sell, 70 area, you may sell, 70 area, you may sell. So, and in other way, if you buy Euro Great Britain Pound, you can try to buy it. Check this out. Make a screenshot right now, or check it in your MT4. Euro Great Britain Pound, 30-minute chart, and RSI period 14. So this is the 70 zone, this is the 70 zone, this is the 70 zone, this is the 30 zone. That's how it works. So for Euro Great Britain Pound, I don't say that it will go down or up. I'm waiting that Great Britain pound is going to be stronger than euro. That's why I'm into short positions, but not long positions for this currency pair. For United States dollar with the Canadian dollar, this is not my favorite, but I'm waiting price to go down to 131. Current price is 133, and I'm waiting them to hit 131. On 4-hour chart, there is nothing that gives me an opportunity to sell right now. On 1-hour chart, there is nothing that gives me an opportunity to sell right now. Okay, I hope it's gonna work for you as well. Okay, let me renew the picture. I hope it's going to work for you, because a technical picture is showing us that United States dollar with the Canadian dollar will go down to 131, and it might work for us. Let's go to check gold. What's up? Let's go to check gold. Just a moment. It looks like something goes wrong with the internet. Let's check it out. How are you doing today? Do you have anything interesting to tell about your trading system, about your trading ideas? You're welcome to share it. Okay, now it works. So we come back to charts. On gold, current price is 1,764, and it's not showing us good sell opportunity. For gold above 1,770, they will go up to 1,820. Yes, it's going to work like that. Or they break current support 1,760, and after that we can sell to 1,720. Okay, they're not breaking this support yet. On 30-minute chart, they were under the 200 moving average, but now they are above, and only under 200 moving average on 30-minute chart we can sell down to 200 moving average on 1-hour chart. Not right now though. For silver, current price is 21.14. My target was down to 20.60. So yeah, I'm greedy. I shouldn't hold that far. But what I can do, I can move my stop loss to like 21.30, for example, and my take profit to 20.20 in case they decide to go lower. Why I decided to sell? Because I saw this Fibonacci extension and we were near 22 area. I told you the 22 area is a good area to sell. After that, they show the Fibonacci extension, and target with the Fibonacci extension goes down to 20.60. But in the nighttime, while I was sleeping, they went up a little bit, and it's not good because those are my money. And yes, I want price to go lower and even to 20.20. I hope they will hit this support. On daily chart, this is not a good sell opportunity on daily chart. Yet it's not like that. I would believe that silver goes a little bit higher. And remember that I am trader, I'm a speculative person. I don't hold something for a long time. If it doesn't go that way, I close position and I open another one. So it's not something like a forecast that I make for months or for weeks. I'm making forecast for myself to trade. So yeah, okay. Right now they're near the resistance. If American dollar index doesn't go lower, if they don't go lower, I may expect price to rebound from here, okay? And what I'm going to watch the American dollar index. And after that, decide to trade or not to trade with the silver. Because if United States dollar goes lower, I don't sell silver. I just close my short positions and I wait market to show me new opportunity to trade. Okay, Brent, they hit 90 area. And what I was thinking about, that they are not gonna hit 89 area. It would be too good for us. But there are too many expectations that market will go to 110 area, and I would expect price to hit this 89 area. After 89 they will go to 77. I told you that. You can check my previous videos and it's still like that. After they hit 89 area on daily chart and 4-hour chart, they will go to 77 area. So right now I'm not gonna trade that because they don't hit any of levels that I expected to hit. So It's okay for them to stay without me. For Dow Jones, nothing. I'm not going to trade it today. Maybe I would, because I know that this is a good resistance that I like. But before I trade Dow Jones, S&P, or anything else, I need to be sure that American dollar index is going to give me a rebound from here, okay? It is important for me, because if American dollar index is going down, Dow Jones will go higher. S&P may go higher. So I'm not going to sell right now. If you check 1 hour chart, it doesn't look like a sell opportunity. They're trying to hit the 200 moving average, but they didn't break it. I don't sell in this situation. If you check 30-minute chart, they are above 200 moving average. I don't sell in this kind of situation. Nasdaq, okay, on 4 hour chart, on daily chart, they are in Ishimoku cloud, and they also have an opportunity to go higher. Yeah, it looks like they are still. Don't use tendencies over here like these ones. It's not a good idea. What is a good idea, I believe, to watch American dollar index and to stay on a 30-minute chart. If Nasdaq is above the Shimoku cloud and you see shadows on the bottom side, it's important for us. We can try to buy this instrument at least to 12,080 area, at least like that. And also what I like is DAX. DAX is near a good level of resistance, but I was trying to sell it. By the way, I returned on my money because I was selling it, selling. So I earn, I lose, I earn, I lose, I earn, and I stopped. So I returned my money, and I was like, okay, that's enough for me. Let's wait, because they're not showing a good sell signal yet. And yes, DAX may go higher. If this level of resistance is not stopping them, we are not allowed to sell without a signal. There are no good shadows. There are no good signals that market is ready to go lower. So I'm going to wait for them to break resistance on 4 hour chart, to break resistance on daily chart, or to break support at least on 30-minute chart. The 200 moving average, it is important for me. After they break it, I'll be like, okay, let's try to sell. So I'm going to watch American dollar index and the 200 moving average on 30-minute chart, because on 15-minute chart, it's flat. It means nothing to us. On 30-minute chart, it is important because they didn't break it. After they break it, we may go lower. So on 1 hour chart, this will be our target to sell to. Yes, I still expect this DAX to go lower, and I want to sell it. It's not something like I'm gonna work again or trade against the market, because market may surprise us and they may go up to, for example, like 15,000. That this is not something like I'm not gonna fight the market. I follow the market. Stay with me, subscribe to this YouTube channel, ask me questions under the video, and good morning to you from Dubai, guys. I wish you profits. Stay with me.